video, guys. Today we are playing some, jailbreak, and we are doing another video. So hope you like and subscribe. Let's start. Okay, so we're playing today. So, oh, the snowman. Snowman. Talking snowman. Hey, Dad. Recording. Yeah, I'm recording, guys. Hey, guys, I'm recording. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm recording, guys. Guys. Doesn't matter. I don't want to know what I'm recording. You could be my video. Oh, hi, Grace. Hi, Grace, we'll sit down. Let me pickpocket you. I want to pickpocket you. Fun. Pickpocket you. I'm pickpocketing you. I got it. Maybe I did. Okay, we got a steak. Steak this prison. Shall we go that way? Oh, wonder can watching. Hi guys. There's some dirt. Is there grave here? There's a grave. Oh, it's blood raw. What's this? Oh jeez. I've only got 200 money as I started. Yeah, 200. 200 if I like it. Guys, come on. State prison, come on. Right, stop shooting guns. Right? I do use to watch like YouTubers play this game. They broke the car, really. Bet we've got to walk there, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Whoever done this. I need to leave, but I don't wanna. Guys, come on, let's just get there. As I see ya. Come on. Okay, let's open this, guys. Legendary. Open. Skip. Purple, nice. That's good. Get out my text. See what people say. Oh, found rare purple, yeah. Yeah, found the ultra rare legendary. I know, I'm good. What do you have to say? I'm good. So guys, I'll see you, bye. Bye, guys, I just found the train here. We found the train. No! I need to get the train, help! Train, wait up! Train! You can get on, ready? No! What's happening? Ready? Get on the train! Bye guys. I don't bother getting that train. Okay guys. We didn't get that train. And we haven't got to the city yet. Look, that guy broke the car thing. Car was spawned now. Car spawn. Makes me weird. Make me feel weird. Because it was like, I'm going to be a castle there. But the city's there. We should be able to get there. This map's getting annoying. I'm going to finish the map first. Bye. Okay, we don't need a map. So they're all behind the bags of our police. The pickpocket that he got, we know. It's like opening up some area. I was about to say something. An area. Wow, swimming bros. Swimming bros. Oh yeah, we're swimming. Swimming bros. Okay guys, we gotta get to here. So coughing. That's it. Dude, watch out, you nearly knocked me there. We don't have any card going at that watch. I found a car that sounds just one. Just one that is very just one. So guys, I've actually found a really cool place to hide if you're hiding away from the place. It's really cool. So, but we gotta get up closer. Well guys, another YouTuber's in here with me. Say hi dude. Well guys, look at this cool brick block. You keep jumping in here, you're actually round through and you're actually gliding here from the pieces. If you want to get out, just keep doing it and you get out from there. Okay guys, so we need a car. This guy was annoying that he blocked that area near the jail, so we couldn't even drive, so we had to walk all the way to the town. It was annoying, he's mean. Oh, why am I driving on here? No guys, I'm illegal. No. The police is gonna get me somehow. I know. Because they got my they got their eyes on me. But guys, the video is my first video for a job for now, so it may not be long as you think it's gonna be. Well, anyway, we're still doing the video. Ow. No. Okay guys, I'll be back with you guys. Bye. Jail guys. Don't go back to jail, please. No, don't want to go back to jails. Gun, come on, kiss me. No. Oh. We have got a glitch. I'm actually not swimming. We keep rolling. Well guys. Bye! It wasn't silly, I got stuck. Sorry. It wasn't silly. The game thinks I'm silly. I'll break down your door. Got through it nice. This video is actually no longer. No, it's gone. We died in that bit. In like a hole stuck, so we had to respawn. By the way, guys, I'm back. I think we gotta end this video in a little bit. So we just need to do a little bit of more stuff. Hi guys. Having a quick job. No attention. Yeah. I'm a spy for... Oh. We got one. Oh, guys, we got one. We don't care about stuff. And guys, we're gonna get a key. So guys, if you're wondering who is, he said I was a YouTuber who came in the world. If you want to check out my YouTube channel, it's called ItXAD. My videos are uploaded in there. Gamer as well. We're both the like and guys. Subscribe. And then hit that teeny bell to join the notification squad. Okay guys, go and check that out. Bye. Even you should join the dog gang. I'm gonna put it in the description maybe, and if you wanna join, say join the dog gang and you're in. No doing any emails and stuff. I don't wanna know them. Just keep it to yourself. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, I really need to finish this video. Well, we're just gonna mess around on that. So I'm just telling the pup gamer that if you go straight to the fence with the car, he can open it. Never knew that, did you? Hey guys, before I go, I want to show you this quick cool Easter egg. That it's in a game called Blamo. You guys may know it, but some of you. It's still fun to see though. While talking of Easter eggs, if I keep interrupting, while talking of Easter eggs, I'm going to be doing a top 10 glitches and top 10 Easter eggs. So stay tuned on my channel. It's just going to be one of them. It's just going to be one of them. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for them. Okay. So, guys, it's getting dark here. Dark place in the world. Darkest place in the universe, is it? Yeah. You guys. See? Blamo, get away, you know that? Ow, ow. Oh, they made that. Ow, guys. Ow, ow. Ow, they're in my butt. They're in my butt. Ugh. I think your butt's too smelly. He's trying to sniff it. I'm trying to sniff his underwear. Ew. That's just wrong. I heard that this voice. Guys, did you hear this? It did steady right out it was. There was this like car sound. It sounded just wrong. And guys, if you know that car sound, go in the description and write what was the car. I think it was a Volt bike or something. What was it saying? It was like, don't really know how to do it. Okay guys, I think I want to end the video, so if you love this video, hope you go down in the description and we may do another video so of jailbreak if you love this. So bye guys. You are defeated.